name's Zaki, and welcome to Zaki Dream. Today we're going to be making a stone ladybug on its stone lily pad. For this, we need 2 rocks, one slightly smaller and one slightly bigger, 5 paints, red, black, white, green, light green, paintbrush, a container to put your paint in, Sharpies, pencil and eraser, glue gun, liquid glue, and a white piece of paper. To make this, we need to go to the yard and then find some rocks. I have found some perfect rocks for my ladybug and my lily pad. I washed the rocks nicely and then dried it. Now I will paint these 2 rocks with black and then let it dry. Remember to not use water when you're painting. Use paint directly. I painted one side, but now I have to paint the other side for both of the rocks. Let the rocks dry. Meanwhile, let's make the eyes of the ladybug. To make the eyes, we need a white piece of paper and your glue gun, and the eyes depend on the size of your ladybug. Mine's small, so I'm going to be adding 1 squirt per eye because mine's really small. If yours is kind of big, you can add 2 squirts per eye. So, yeah, let's do this. Remember to make a couple of them so you can pick the eye. Let it dry before you touch the hot glue. After the glue is dried, we need to paint them white. After the eyes are dried, now we need to take it off of the paper so we can attach it to our ladybug. Let's draw the ladybug on the rock. Let's paint the ladybug. While the ladybug is drying, let's draw the leaf. Let's color the leaf. Let the leaf dry. Meanwhile, we'll work on the ladybug. See the tip of the brush? You can make dots. Remember when you see a ladybug, there's always dots on its back? Yeah, that's what we're gonna make with the tip. Let's stick the eyes to the body using a liquid glue. Now I'm gonna be making the mouth of the ladybug. Use your pencil and the white paint. See? You put it at the edge, and then you do a smiley face, just like how you draw it on paper. Let's outline the leaf with light green paint. After it is dried, we need to apply some varnish on it so it gives it a gloss and so the paint is protected. Finally, our ladybug on its lily pad is ready. You can use this as decoration and you can always make its friends. They're right here. And you can put it in a pot. with a plant. It looks so good. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Azaki dreams, Azaki dreams. Come make arts with Azaki dreams. Dream it, make it, and you can have it. Azaki dreams, Azaki dreams. Come make arts with Azaki dreams.